Looking at the whole organization when selecting people can be overwhelming and stressful. Relieve yourself of the stress with OnTime. So here's something you probably didn't know you could do in your OnTime Group Calendar. You can quickly and easily select people from different groups, making scheduling faster and easier than ever before. So you don't have to go through these endless lists of names anymore. Just press the group you want to access and then mark the person you want to invite to your event. When you have selected all the wanted invitees from this group, just go to the next group and do exactly the same. When you have selected all the wanted invitees from the different groups, press the Show Selected button, and it will isolate the people you have chosen. And now it's time to create your event. Whether it's a new group, meeting, or a poll, the possibilities are endless. Stay ahead of the game with OnTime. Keep an eye out for more tips and tricks coming your way.